We throw away 7.2 million tonnes of food and drink from our homes every year, which could have been eaten.
72% of the waste in landfill.
On average, people in Blaenau Gwent produce 58 kilograms of waste per person per quarter, which is above the Wales average of 54 kilograms.
The annual family of 4 produces 2 bags of rubbish a week, most of which can be recycled.
As a nation, we go through 5 billion drinking cans every year. Each one could be recycled back into a new one.
Recycling one aluminium can saves enough energy to run a TV for 3 hours.
The most common litter items are cigarette butts, snack wrappers, drinks containers and takeaway packaging.
Your average takeaway trays take more than 1 million years to decompose if buried in the ground.
A cigarette butt takes 12 years to break down and poisons the soil with arsenic and cadmium.
In December 2012, Blaenau Gwent averaged a recycling rate of 46%. We are the third worst local authority in Wales for recycling rates.
Other countries recycle more than we do in our country. Switzerland, Netherlands and Germany recycle around 60% of their waste, compared to the UK at 42%.